system of the Harrier.
A brand new house all on the poolside. It's a made out of rock Shanghai. Got a range in the middle on top, and it's a made out of human skull. Come on, take a little walk with me, baby, and tell me who do you love.
You gotta have a lot of money to buy that.
We're actually going to see him do what we've seen the Marine Corps Harriers do, because this aircraft has its design roots back in the late 1950s and early 1960s in Great Britain with Hawker aircraft, and an aircraft called the P-1127 Kestrel, experimenting with vectored thrust. But right now, here's 400 miles an hour. This. Vector thrust is a technique that was perfected by Hawker aircraft in Great Britain, along with work with one of the very first times he's hovered this aircraft in an air show. So this is very, very rare and very impressive. Here we go with a 21,000 pound of thrust Rolls-Royce Pegasus engine slowing down to 60 miles an hour. Here's Art Knowles in the Royal Navy Sea Harrier. The original Kestrel aircraft back in 1960 had a 10,000 pound of thrust Rolls-Royce Pegasus engine. If you look carefully, you can see the nozzles, the bleed air nozzles just in front of the wings, and the jet nozzles, the exhaust nozzles, just behind the wing. It's got huge intakes because it's got to suck in a lot of air to make it work. Now this is a day that I'm not sure if he's going to be able to do a vertical takeoff because of a couple of things. It's a very hot day. Number two, there is a water system that allows them to put 50 imperial gallons of distilled water into the aircraft to inject that into the engine to cool the engine temperatures and allow the engine to develop more thrust. Unfortunately, that water system is not functional right now in the airplane. Let's see though, he's gonna go. He's gonna spool it up. Let's see if he's gonna get a rolling takeoff or he's gonna go straight vertical. He's pointed into the wind, so he could potentially do a vertical takeoff. Graduate of the United States Air Force's Test Pilot School. He also did Ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at one happy guy right